Got a little bad little YouTube shawty, all she do is vlog, vlog.
Okay, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Toriana Jazel here. Thanks for clicking on this video. Today we're gonna be opening a present. I kind of already know what it is, so I wanted to open it on camera because I've been searching for these forever, literally forever. Hold on, let me turn up the there. Okay, yeah, I've been searching for these literally forever, and I've been wanting these for like a year now. No, I'm lying. For like 7-8 months now. You'll see when I open them, and if you are watching this video, you'll probably understand how hard it is to like get a pair of these at the moment. But yes, let's go ahead and open it up. This is from my good friend, Christmas gift. Alrighty. Oh my god, so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm literally so excited. Oh my god, literally so excited. Literally so excited. I got the Moxi Rainbow Riders. So funny story. I was literally just like looking on the website to see if like they restocked or anything, or if they had any upcoming restocks about maybe 2 weeks ago, which was like maybe a few weeks before Christmas, or maybe a week before Christmas. And they I don't know if they, well, they obviously did, I have them, but so I was looking on the website to see if they had like any upcoming restocks or like anything in stock at the moment. And I knew I wanted to get the Rainbow Riders because they're like high-key affordable, and like I'm a beginner skater, and then that's what they're like kind of geared towards. So I put them in my cart, and it didn't say like out of stock or anything. So I'm like, oh my god, they're in stock, they're in stock. And then they got bought. In like 2.5 seconds, they got bought. So that's that, and they shipped out in like 1 day, literally in 1 day. So let's open them up. Oh my gosh, they're literally so cute. Look at them. I'm so happy. I'm literally so happy. Oh, look at them. Oh my gosh. They're literally so freaking cute. It came with this tool. If it wants to focus, there we go. And it looks like that. I thought it was supposed to come with a crab tool. I guess they opted for this instead. Wow. Baby, look. They're literally so cute. Okay, guys. So let's get into the skates, because like I'm so excited, and like I am gonna be a roller skater girl now. You can't tell me anything now. Sorry, I'm kidding. So this is what the boot looks like. I got a size 7. And this is what it looks like. Super cute. I don't know the terminology or anything yet. But I've been practicing. No, I haven't been practicing. I've been watching videos, and I couldn't really find any videos on this specific boot. But yeah, I've been watching videos. I know these are trucks and wheels and all of that. But I used to longboard, so I know how to longboard. Yeah. So I guess I know you have to loosen these, but this seems pretty like fine to me. Then I'm gonna give it a ride. Here's the toe stop here, and then this is the wheels. there. And then the boot seems pretty kind of hard actually, if you ask me. There's the Moxi logo. And then here's the inside of the boot. If you can't see, my camera won't really go in there. And then I'll show you like the bottom of it. See what it looks like. And then it came with rainbow laces here, which are super cute. And yeah, I'm gonna read off to you guys what the specifications are. So we have drum dried vinyl upper, whatever that means. foam backed lining, PVC unit outsole and heel, curved collar for added comfort, ankle padding, tri-color laces, high rebound outdoor wheels. So this skate, like I said, is a beginner skate. It's not meant to be used at the skate park or anything. Available, oh no. So the wheels are Moxi Rainbow Rider 58mm wheels, and then the harness is 82A, and then the bearings are ABEC 5, or do you say that ABEC, or is it ABEC? I don't know. And then the toe stop is adjustable. I'm also going to be putting some toe guards on as well. And yeah, so that's what the skate, that is what it is. Okay guys, I'm outside. Today is a new day. I'm gonna skate today. I don't have knee pads. I didn't go to the store and get any. And hopefully I don't fall and bust my ass pretty hard. I'm in like this empty parking lot, so hopefully no one bothers me either. I was trying to find a space where like I could just skate without interruption. Some cars do drive through here sometimes. Duh, it's a parking lot, but like can I put these down? Okay. I don't know why I thought this was a good idea. I'm literally like already about to die. Okay, I don't have knee pads on either. Okay, damn. I don't know about this. I don't know about this.
Girls in my area cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, perm-ting braids got mini afros, thick lips got hips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't, never wanna put